All right, time for some Finally Friday birthdays in the 4 states. We begin in Pittsburgh with Liam Kreitz celebrating birthday number 2. Happy birthday, Liam.
All right, and we got Cadence Whitworth celebrating birthday number 13 this year in Chanute. And remember, Mimi loves you.
We've also got Javen Woolsey celebrating birthday number 17 in style there. Javen is celebrating Star Wars style in Altamont.
Like that. Whitley Buchanan celebrating birthday number 21 this year in Jasper, Missouri.
All right, we've got Micah Ohm celebrating birthday number 30 in Pittsburgh. This comes with love from Mom and Dad.
All right, happy birthday, Micah. Have to come out and celebrate with us. Scott Saez turning the big 5-0 in Pittsburgh. Hope it's a great one for you, Scott. Love your mother.
And Wally Jones celebrating birthday number 65 in Nevada. And this comes with love from your daughter, Amanda. Happy birthday, Wally.
All right, our neighbor in Crestline, Brent Jesse. Happy birthday.
We've also got Ted Garrison celebrating over in Columbus. Happy birthday, Ted.
All right, and Jim and Judy Ganaway are celebrating their 52nd anniversary this year. They're in Crestline.
And we've also got Tom and Yvonne Gettle celebrating their 50th wedding anniversary in Columbus. Happy anniversary to Tom and Yvonne.
Shade Schuberger turning 15 years old this year in Columbus.
We've also got Kelsey Thomas celebrating a birthday in Weir.
And Roger and Sandy Smoots are celebrating their 11th anniversary this year.
And wrapping out our list, we got Velda Asbell celebrating birthday number 85 in Miami with love from her daughters, and Angie Stalling celebrating a birthday in Webb City. You know, this list could always be longer, and Tanya's going to tell you how you can help us make it even longer.
That's right. All you have to do is submit them to either of our emails, and you can find these on our website on KOAM News Now. Just click on Community and then go to the Birthday Club page. And you can email them to birthdayswithan@KOAMTV.com or birthdayswithan@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And while you're there, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You can get great deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just head over to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the Birthday Club today. And I can't go through today without mentioning